So guys, first thing, you just open your Instagram, then press on your profile, and here you're going to press on the three bars on the upper right corner of your screen. Just select the first option, settings. While pressing on settings, you're going to find a bunch of options. Just press on help. Up to here guys, Instagram isn't showing you the delete account button. That's because he doesn't want to lose his customers. So we are going just follow the steps and we are almost there. Press on help center, and to delete your, let me just change the language. Let me just put it in in English. Just put it in English. And here just press again on these three bars on the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to find manage your account. Press on manage your account and then delete your account. Press there, delete on your account. The second option says how to delete my Instagram account. When you press there, just scroll a little bit. But guys, before you scroll a little bit down to find the delete account, just make sure you read this message carefully. That says when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. Guys, it is saying permanently removed. So if that is what you really mean to permanently delete your account, then go ahead and scroll down. You're going to find to request the permanent deletion of your account. You can read the instructions if you want, but just go ahead and press on delete your account. Once you press there, you are going to be asked to open your account in a browser. You can't delete your Instagram account using the Instagram application, so you need to open your account in a web browser. In my case, I'm going to open it using Google Chrome. And in here, if you haven't yet logged in, you are going to be asked to log in maybe, but in my case I've already logged in. Then you're going to get this page here, delete your account. So Instagram want to know, why do you really want to delete your account? So just press on here. You have some options, some answers. Just select anyone and go ahead, enter your password in here and press on delete button. It's written there delete, then comes the name of your Instagram account. Once you press on that delete button, Instagram is going to give you a time period of about 21 days. In that time period, if you ever wanted to come back on your decision and just keep your account, you can just log in on Instagram application and your account is going to be available. But if you never come back on your decision after 21 days, then your Instagram account is going to be permanently deleted, forgotten, buried. So guys, make sure you think twice before you take this decision, because this operation here is irreversible. Then we have another video for you guys where I'm showing you how to disable temporarily your Instagram account. I hope you like this video guys. If so, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the ring bell so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded on this HowToDo Technology channel. Thanks for watching once more again. See you.